Can you answer all 25 English GK questions without making a single mistake? Only 1% of people scored 25 out of 25. Let's test your general knowledge. Don't forget to comment your score at the end. Question 76. Which country is famous for the kangaroo? A. New Zealand. B. Australia. C. South Africa. D. Brazil. Correct answer. B. Australia. Question 77. Which country is known as the land of fire and ice? A. Greenland. B. Iceland. C. Norway. D. Canada. Correct answer. B. Iceland. Question 78. Which is the largest gland in the human body? A. Pancreas. B. Thyroid. C. Liver. D. Pituitary. Correct answer. C. Liver. How many answers have you got right so far? Comment your score below and keep watching. The next questions are even more challenging. Question 79. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A. Iron. B. Mercury. C. Silver. D. Copper. Correct answer. B. Mercury. Question 80. Which is the highest active volcano in the world? A. Mount Fuji. B. Ojos del Salado. C. Mount Etna. D. Krakatoa. Correct answer. B. Ojos del Salado. Question 81. Which is the smallest ocean in the world? A. Arctic Ocean. B. Indian Ocean. C. Atlantic Ocean. D. Southern Ocean. Correct answer. A. Arctic Ocean. Question 82. What is the chemical symbol for potassium? A. P. B. P. C. K. D. Pt. Correct answer. C. K. Question 83. Which is the largest planet in the Milky Way discovered so far? A. TOI 849b. B. HAT P67b. C. Kepler 22b. D. Proxima b. Correct answer. B. HAT P67b. Question 84. Which is the largest species of penguin? A. King penguin. B. Emperor penguin. C. Gentoo penguin. D. Adelie penguin. Correct answer. B. Emperor penguin. If you've answered all these correctly, you're doing great. Let's see if you can get a perfect score. Question 85. Which is the highest mountain in Africa? A. Mount Kenya. B. Mount Kilimanjaro. C. Atlas Mountain. D. Rwenzori. Correct answer. B. Mount Kilimanjaro. Question 86. Which gas is most commonly used to fill balloons? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Helium. D. Hydrogen. Correct answer. C. Helium. Question 87. Which is the largest river by water discharge? A. Nile River. B. Amazon River. C. Yangtze River. D. Mississippi River. Correct answer. B. Amazon River. Question 88. Which is the national animal of Australia? A. Koala. B. Kangaroo. C. Emu. D. Wombat. Correct answer. B. Kangaroo. Question 89. Which instrument is used to measure earthquakes? A. Thermometer. B. Seismograph. C. Barometer. D. Hygrometer. Correct answer. B. Seismograph. Question 90. Which is the longest wall in the world? A. Berlin Wall. B. Great Wall of China. C. Hadrian's Wall. D. Kumbhalgarh Wall. Correct answer B. Great Wall of China. Question 91. Which is the largest species of bear? A. Polar bear. B. Grizzly bear. C. Black bear. D. Panda. Correct answer A. Polar bear. Question 92. Which country has the largest democracy in the world? A. United States. B. India. C. Brazil. D. Indonesia. Correct answer B. India. Question 93. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Mercury. D. Saturn. Correct answer B. Venus. Question 94. Which is the smallest bone in the human body? A. Femur. B. Stapes. C. Radius. D. Ulna. Correct answer B. Stapes. Question 95. Which is the largest freshwater lake by volume? A. Lake Superior. B. Lake Baikal. C. Lake Victoria. D. Lake Tanganyika. Correct answer B. Lake Baikal. Question 96. Which is the tallest tree species in the world? A. Oak. B. Giant sequoia. C. Coast redwood. D. Pine. Correct answer C. Coast redwood. Question 97. Which country is known as the land of white elephant? A. Thailand. B. India. C. Myanmar. D. Sri Lanka. Correct answer A. Thailand. Question 98. Which vitamin helps blood clotting? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin K. D. Vitamin D. Correct answer C. Vitamin K. Question 99. Which is the largest organ inside the human body? A. Heart. B. Liver. C. Lungs. D. Brain. Correct answer B. Liver. Question 100. Which is the nearest star to Earth after the Sun? A. Sirius. B. Alpha Centauri A. C. Proxima Centauri. D. Betelgeuse. Correct answer C. Proxima Centauri. How many questions did you answer correctly? Write your score in the comments. If you scored B's or more, you're a GK champion. For more English GK quizzes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SKGS GK Education. See you in the next quiz.